Hi, welcome along, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you through how to play Halfway to Paradise by Billy Fury. An absolute banger from way back in 1961. Million seller, this one, so I do hope you enjoy it. If you do, you know what to do. Click the like and subscribe button for me, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me get to bring you more guitar based tutorials. So if you're ready, go grab your guitar and I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. I know that's a lot to take in, but let me show you how that's done. So first off, it's the strum pattern that's going to be the biggest thing we need to overcome. It's quite quick and there's a lot going on. So let's break that down. We've got down, down. So mute the strings, just mute the strings. Cover the strings with your fingers so they sound muted. And we're going to go down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Okay? One more time. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Now you'll notice that the bit that goes down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down happens twice. You may want to go back through this video again and just quickly write down that strum pattern on a piece of paper in front of you, just to help you get through that. So, first chord we're going to use is D major. Now, you may be familiar with a D major, but I'll bring that up to the camera anyway. That's first finger, second fret, third string, first finger on the second fret of the first string, and our third finger on the third fret of the second string, the B string. Right, and we're going to play 5 strings for that. So let's go through that strum pattern again. We've got down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Then we move on to our next chord, which is a G6 chord. Now, the way we're going to do that is bring that up to the camera. We've got our first finger on the third fret of the E string, the first string. Then we're going to put our second finger on the fourth fret of the G string, third finger on the fifth fret of the D string, and our little finger on the fourth fret of the B string, the second string. All right. Now we're only going to play 4 strings for this. That's our G6, and we're going to move that up to an A6, which is literally taking this whole shape and planting it so that you're now in 5th position, so up to the 5th fret. Okay, so there we go. So we're going to go from ba ba da ba, ba ba, ba da ba da, back to D. Okay, G6, da 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 da, A6, back to G6, and then finishing up with the D. So we got down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Here we go, G6, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. And then we go to an A, bum, 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 bum. That's when you get them big drums go dum, 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 dum. So that's what we've got. So one more time through, and then we'll move on to the main body of the song. So, get your D ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down. Right. Next bit, here's the main body of the song. So what we've got, it goes down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the strum pattern for the whole song. So we'll start off with a D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. There's a D. Down, down, down. But your friend is all love and stay is I stay to the A and back to D. To G paradise and back to D and then to A and them chords that bring you back round to the next verse. So let's take that through again. So I long for D. So we've got D, la la la, further down, and then to A, right to D, D, up to G. They are the verses and the chorus. The only thing we've not done yet is the bridge. I quickly want to show you, I've showed you the D and I've showed you the A. I quickly want to show you the G before we move on. So the G is little finger, 3rd fret, E string. We're going to put our 3rd finger on the low E string at the 3rd fret. That gives us the other G note. And then our 2nd finger is going on the 2nd fret of the A string. So we've got a giant G there. That's all 6 strings, all right? Okay, so that's the verse. Let's get on with the bridge. The bridge goes to A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Being close to you is almost to the day. Heaven, back to A. See you can do just so. Then to D again, back to A, hurts me so to know your heart, then back to D, then we got B minor, E, E minor, and back to A, and stop, then we go back into the verse. Okay, so let me show you a B minor. B minor is 1st finger, 2nd fret of the E string. Then we're going to move along to the 3rd fret on the B string with our 2nd finger. Then we're going to move up to the D string of the 4th fret, which that's the 4th string. And we're just going to put our little finger just underneath that. Now we're only going to play 4 strings. That's a B minor chord. All right, just so as you know, that's a B minor chord. Let's go through the bridge again. Start with an A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Being close to you. Almost to the D, down, down, up, down. Back to D, back to the A, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then to the D, now to the B minor, E, la la la, E minor, and A, 2, 3, verse. Now the refrain, whoa, whoa, G and D, and then A, and back to D. Whoa, whoa, G and D, and then A and D. So there we have it, Halfway to Paradise by Billy Fury. How did we get along? All good? Let me know down in the comment section below. Always great to read all your comments. If there's any other songs you'd like me to show you how to play in another video, again, let me know down in the comment section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you do me a massive favour and click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which really does help me get to bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So until we meet again, take great care of yourselves, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.